How to fix Modern Warfare Dev Error 6065. Dev Error 6065 is a common issue that occurs when playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare or Warzone. It usually indicates a problem with your graphics settings or software. The error message may say that your GPU driver version does not meet the minimum specification. There are several possible causes and fixes for this error. Here are some of the most common ones. Update your graphics card driver. This is the easiest and most effective solution for many players. You can do this by going to the device manager on your PC and selecting the update driver option for your graphics card. Alternatively, you can manually download the latest driver from the manufacturer's website. For newbies, try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Edit the config.cfg file. This is a configuration file that contains the game settings. Sometimes, there may be conflicting entries in the file that cause the error. You can modify the file by changing the value of settle to 1092995319. Lower the in-game graphics settings. If your PC does not meet the minimum system requirements for the game, you may experience lag, freezing, or Dev Error 6065. To improve the performance, you can lower the graphics settings to the lowest possible configuration. Increase your VRAM. VRAM stands for Video Random Access Memory, which is the memory used by your graphics card. If your VRAM is too low, you may encounter Dev Error 6065. You can increase your VRAM by adjusting the settings in your BIOS or using a third-party software. Scan and repair the game files. Sometimes, the game files may be corrupted or missing, which can cause the error. You can scan and repair the game files using the Blizzard app, Battle.net Launcher. Just go to the Games page, click on Options, and select Scan and Repair. Delete the Players folder. This is a folder that contains the game's user data and settings. Deleting this folder can reset the game to its default state and fix the error. The folder is located in the Documents folder on your PC. Disable G-Sync, for NVIDIA card users. G-Sync is a feature that synchronizes the refresh rate of your monitor and your graphics card. However, some players have reported that disabling G-Sync can resolve the error. You can do this by going to the NVIDIA control panel and turning off G-Sync. Reinstall the game. This is the last resort if none of the other solutions work. Reinstalling the game can eliminate any potential issues with the game files or settings. However, this may take a long time and consume a lot of disk space.